At WhisperKOOL, we've created a ceiling-mounted split system evaporator. Cellar contractors have asked for a design that does not take away from the racking aesthetics and is virtually invisible in the cellar. Our ceiling mount units are available in several sizes: the Mini series for cellars up to 500 cubic feet, the 4000 series for cellars up to 1000 cubic feet, the 8000 series for cellars up to 2000 cubic feet, and our Twin series for cellars up to 3500 cubic feet. BTU and heat load calculations must be performed prior to selecting a cooling unit. Utilizing our ceiling mounted evaporator has many benefits. It offers excellent efficiency by drawing in the warmer air which accumulates at the ceiling, cools and disperses the air throughout the environment. Built with the highest quality professional grade parts for longevity and performance, its design integrates a condensate pump system that is easily installed and accessible for maintenance. All WhisperKOOL split systems are paired with our high efficiency 220 volt condensers. These condensers are energy efficient, utilizing 50% less energy to operate than before. They also utilize large, low-speed fans to create substantially lower operation sound levels. All high-efficiency condensers require a communication cable to be ran from the condenser to the evaporator. Our signature ceiling mount system was designed to be installed between the ceiling joists with a sleek, flush fit to the drywall. There are 3 mounting position options in which to install the unit: fully recessed into the environment, partially recessed into the cellar, and flush mounted to the ceiling. The mounting bracket is attached using the hardware provided in the installation hardware bag. Locate your desired mounting location and bracket orientation. Slide the bracket over the unit and use the provided screws at the designated mounting locations to secure it. There are a few components that need to be considered when installing a ceiling mount unit: a condensate drain line, an 18-to-5 communication cable, the condenser, refrigerant lines or line set, an electrical source, the controller display, and the bottle probe for measuring liquid temperature in the cellar. The system utilizes threaded flare fittings for line set connections, conveniently located near the cutouts placed on the unit housing for proper alignment, eliminating the need for brazing. Additional knockouts are available on the unit for line set routing. The electrical power source, display cable, bottle probe, and 24-volt communication wire connections are located near the line set connections or on the electrical panel, depending on the unit model. The electrical panel can be accessed from the top or bottom of the unit for ease of installation and periodical maintenance. When accessing from the bottom, remove the grille. The electrical panel is held in place by a single thumb screw. Remove the thumb screw and pull the panel out to gain access to the electrical components. For access from the top, remove the screws and pull out the electrical panel. Hook up the condensate pump. The unit comes supplied with a condensate pump system which is fully mounted. The drain line connection for the condensate pump is located near the line set connections. Cutouts are placed on the unit housing for drain line routing. The controller display can be wall mounted either inside or outside of the cellar. Route the display cable from the evaporator unit to the desired keypad location. A 50-foot cable is included with the system. WhisperKOOL series cooling units come equipped with a liquid temperature measuring thermostat. The bottle probe for the thermostat must be mounted inside the cellar in order to read the proper temperature. There are several access panels on the unit. For installations with access from the attic space above the cellar, there is a removable panel located on the top of the unit. For access below the unit in the cellar, there are several panels that can be removed to gain full access to the internal components. Once you have attached the mounting bracket and secured the unit to the ceiling, you can remove the screws holding the supply return air grill in place. Pull the grill downwards to release it from the ball studs. Next, remove the drip tray by removing 2 mounting screws. This will now give you full access to the internal components. Creating a cellar with our ceiling mount split system will offer the flexibility to design a beautiful environment for the aging of fine lines with a virtually invisible cooling system. For more information on our ceiling mount series, please click the provided links in the video description below.